MiROS is a web-based programming tool for ROS developers with a graphical user interface. Hey, my name's Wayne. I'm the project lead for the MiROS program. It's my pleasure to introduce you MiROS today. Why MiROS? Well, let me start with the pain points. Even as an experienced ROS developer, you still need to be very proficient in Linux and programming language like C, C++, and Python. So it's a natural technical barrier for beginners. So what's the benefits for MiROS? So firstly, it's the graphical user interface that allows users to drag and drop coding. So all the codes are automatically generated for you. It's very quick to install and configure MiROS. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. And for Mac and Windows user, good news, it's VM free. And you can also sync your project anywhere, anytime over the cloud.
Hi, my name is Riley. I'm one of the people working on the MiROS project, and I'm here to talk today about some of its key features.
So for starters, we're going to create a new project, new workspace, call it comp3431. There we go. So the first step will be connecting to the Turtlebot robot and loading all of the packages from that into MiROS. This will allow us to use those packages in our own code, which is vital to completing the assignment. So this is the path to the local setup.bash file, so that MiROS is able to source the ROS and then run ROS commands. Alright, so MiROS is going to begin loading all of the topics from the robot. So here I've got all the packages from the Turtlebot robot uploaded into MiROS, so now I can check them out. Yep, it's got all of the topics that we need to publish to, visualization messages, the marker message. Yep, so the next step is going to be creating a package that we can do the majority of our programming in. So create a package for the assignment. Oh yeah, I entered the list view as well, so you can have the package view where it does them in an array like that, or the list view by clicking this button here. So and now you can double click on whatever package, like this one here, to enter the node canvas. So here we want to create a new node that we're going to use to control the assignment, so we'll call this node controller. So you can double click on the circles to edit them and stuff like that. So now this node is going to be subscribing to ODOM, publishing to the goal pose from nav, and publishing to the marker topic as well, so that it can map its path. So to subscribe or publish to a node, you can just drag out from this arrow here to whatever topic that you want. So in this case, we're going to do ODOM. We're going to add a subscriber, and then we just click done. So it's got the little subscriber up the top there. So now we just we're going to need the marker, publisher to that, and goal pose, publisher to that. There we go. So that's good. We click save. So you can see all of the subscribers and publishers appear here. So I'll go back, and now from this menu here, you can click this button here to go to the code view. So now you can see our package has been translated into code, which is very helpful for us. And it's also generated this handy launch file as well, which is going to be useful because not only do we need to launch this node that we're creating here, but we also need to launch nav, we need to launch slam, and we need to launch the wall follower node that we've been given. So to do those, I can just add them to this launch file to the customization section here. So one thing about MiROS is that when you're customizing files, you can only do it in this section denoted by the comments. Cool. So that's the main part of it. And then all you have to do now, export code. That will download all of the code to a zip file.
So where do I get MiROS? Very simple, just visit this website, www myrobot.ai/MiROS or scan this QR code here.